it's Melanie. Happy what I think is gonna be Wednesday when you guys are seeing this. Happy Wednesday. If it's not Wednesday, sorry. So I was doing my makeup this morning and realized that I promised you guys that during the month of June I would be sharing some just eyeshadow tutorials with a few of my newer palettes, specifically the new Viseart eyeshadow palettes that recently came out, the Rose Edit as well as the Warm Edit. Today I'm going to show you guys this eye look over here from the Rose Edit, which is my favorite of the two palettes. I just love the color story of this, and I have used almost every single shade in here, and it's just such a beautiful palette. And I feel like this is great to travel with because you're getting a good amount of mattes in here. You're even getting a liner shade and like some really pretty just shimmer shades that just go on like a dream. So obviously it's very sunny this morning. I just got back from dropping Stella off at school, and there's not a whole lot I can do. If I close my blinds completely, I basically look jaundiced. So I'm hoping that this still turns out okay. I'm kind of blocking the sun with my window casing here, so let's hope this holds. So by the way, I will link what I have on the rest of my face in the description box, as well as this if you want to get it. But all right, so one thing that I've already done is put on my eye primer. That's a must for me. I have really oily eyelids. And then I also took this shade right here, which is just kind of a skin toned, at least skin toned for me because I'm pretty fair, the skin tone shade, and I put it all over my eye area just to help blend things. Now I'm gonna go in with this like milk chocolate brown, and I'm just gonna use a crease brush. This one's from Zoeva. Whichever crease brush you have is fine. And I do like shake off a little bit of that excess so that it doesn't like fall onto my cheeks too much. And I'm gonna place this in the outer part of my crease, going slightly above my crease. This is the same technique that I do for every eyeshadow look. I place and then I start blending and working it in. When I go towards my inner corner, I follow more of like the natural actual crease so that I have a slight cat eye effect. It just gives me a lifted look towards the outer part of my eye. I happen to like the way that looks, but that's just because of my eye shape. You might need to do something totally different. I love the way these eyeshadows go on, you guys, because they are so easily blended. Like they're just easy. Like that just, I mean, I didn't even have to like blend as much as I did, but I like doing it. I am gonna go in with this darker brown shade on the same brush. I'm not switching brushes. And I'm just gonna tap it in there a little tiny bit. And then again, tap off a little bit of that excess. And I'm just gonna deepen up the outer crease a little bit. I do take the crease shade onto my lid in this outer portion as well. And then when I have most of it like off the brush, I again go in towards the inner part, just following that crease. Does it look the same? I think mostly, just a tiny bit more maybe. This is the fun thing about like doing an eye and then waiting. Instead of just going back and forth like I normally do, sometimes it ends up looking just a little different from the other eye, but that's okay. All right, so there we go. All right, that's it for the crease. I'm going to take this champagne shimmer shade down here, and I'm just gonna use my pinky to apply that onto my lid. So I could use a brush, but it works great like this. I just like tap it onto the lid. Oh, this is such a pretty shade, you guys. It's so pretty. I just tap it / rub it on, and I don't go all the way towards this outer part here, but kind of towards that general direction. Just wipe off the excess on a towel, and then I'm gonna take that same brush, no additional product, and, sorry, I'm getting a little hair in my lip gloss here. By the way, this gloss, I love this gloss. I've been wearing it so much. I'll link it down below. All right, now I'm gonna take my, where'd it go? Oh, I put it away. I just have this, what's this called? It's a brow line brush from Zoeva, but I use it to do my eyeliner. I'm just gonna take that darker chocolate brown shade and I'm gonna line my lash line, and that's gonna be my eyeliner. So everything from my eyeshadow to my liner is coming from this palette. Guys, it's supposed to be so hot today. Yesterday it got to be about 98 and our air conditioner stopped working. And I freaked out just a little bit because when I'm recording this, Craig is out of town, and luckily our friend Dom came over and it was just a blown fuse, so he replaced it and it came on. But yeah, this house got toasty. I think it was about 89 degrees in my bedroom. That's hard to sleep with. That's a temperature that is very unpleasant. But thankfully I can hear it. It just kicked on. So, all right. So I just put that along my lash line, and there's a little bit of fallout that happens, but I just take a brush and I just brush it away. And then what is left, I'm gonna line my lower lash line with. So I'm not redipping because I'm not looking for like a huge concentration of color, just a little bit. And I just press it into the lower lash line, going about 2/3 of the way in, and then I just stop. And then I take a Q-tip and just kind of blend that a little bit better, so that it looks just blended. And then basically all I have left to do is my mascara. I'm not gonna make you guys watch me put on my mascara because it's a tedious task, but I'm using this combination today. So I've got the CoverGirl Clump Crusher, which I like as my first base coat. And then I like to go in with the Hourglass Caution Extreme Lash Mascara. So mixing the drugstore and the high-end. Wow, this is so shiny, isn't it? Anyway, I'm gonna put this on my eyes and then I will be good to go. And I'm gonna go about recording the rest of my videos for today. So hopefully this was helpful for you guys. I will link, like I said, everything that I have on the rest of my face down below in the description box. So if you wanna know what blush, lips, everything else is, I will put that information down there. Let me know if you guys have any questions. And next week I will try to record the warm edit, which is this guy right here. If you like warm eyeshadows and you are looking for like the perfect summer eyeshadow palette, this might be it. These shades are gonna be shades that a lot of you guys are gonna love. They're not really my personal favorite, but I have come up with some pretty eye looks using these. So yeah, all right. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take care, bye.